Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Sri Rama Bharati Public School. This is Natasha here, and with this video we will be starting with our history portion with the first chapter of history that states tracing history through 1,000 years. See, 1,000 years is a very long time, and during these 1,000 years there have been many changes. History has recorded many changes. Whatever history we studied in class 6 comes under ancient history. In class 7, we will study all about medieval history. Ever since the time being, whenever history was recorded, the time from where history started getting recorded, that point is known as ancient history. The present time that we're living in comes under modern history. The time between these two histories, ancient history and modern history, is termed as medieval history. So in class 7, we will study all about medieval history, starting with an introductory part, that is tracing changes through 1,000 years. Now look at the heading. To understand what all changes have occurred in 1,000 years, we need to understand that there have been many changes in the way people speak, the way people dress, the way people eat, technology, and many things. First example can be maps, evolution of maps. See, map 1 was drawn in 1125 CE by an Arab scholar or Arab cartographer, Al-Idrisi. And map 2 was drawn in 1720s by a French cartographer. Now if I ask you which map looks more familiar, you will obviously go with map 2 because we know that Sri Lanka is at the south of India. Whereas in map 1, Al-Idrisi has drawn Sri Lanka at north of India. So within a gap of these 600 years, there has been huge changes in maps as well. Now, who is a cartographer? A cartographer is a person who makes maps, who creates a map. Al-Idrisi was a cartographer and he drew that map, so he is known as a cartographer. Whereas the study of making maps or the practice of making maps is known as cartography. Now, what do we need to understand in the context of this chapter? What does this chapter exactly wants to say? That when historians read the documents, historians are the people who study history and they finally record it. So when historians read documents or text or maps from the past, they need to be sensitive. They need to be sensitive to the different historical backgrounds because whatever they record is going to be studied by the future generations. So they need to be sensitive whatever they are writing or whatever they are trying to understand. They cannot take the sources for granted. They need to be sensitive about the context in which information about the past was produced. If Al-Idrisi had produced the map in which Sri Lanka was there at the north of India, the historians need to record why and what were the reasons behind it. Al-Idrisi had different perspective. Maybe he had entered India through a different position and thus he made a map in which Sri Lanka is placed at north of India. So there can be many reasons. There can be different perspectives of different people. And historians need to record that as well. They need to be sensitive about all the information. So the topics that we will cover in this chapter are new and old terminologies. We will see how the meaning of terms has also changed during these 1,000 years. Earlier, the term foreigner meant something else. Today, it means something else. Historians and their sources. Historians, the people who study history. How do they study history? What are the sources they rely on? Further, we will study new social and political groups that have emerged during these 1,000 years. For example, Rajputs, and how jatis have been created in our society. Next, we will study about religion and empire, how different religions emerged in India. India is a multi-religious country. We have Sikhs, we have Indians, we have Muslims. So how did these religions enter into India? We will study about old and new religions. We will study about thinking about the past time and the historical period, how have they impacted our present times. So this is all for this topic. We will study the new and old terminologies in the next video. Till then, stay safe and have a good time.